everyone, my name's Beth and I'm the Living Seas Engagement Officer for the Wildlife Trust of South and West Wales. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some ocean origami and make your very own paper whale. Origami is nice and simple. All you need is a square piece of either paper or card. If, like me, your sheet is patterned, you want to start with the colourful side facing down. From here you're going to fold your piece in half once and then twice, pressing down on the folds. This will mean your finished whale is more stable. You then want to reopen the folds, leaving a square. Next, you'll want to bring one corner to the central line on your square. Fold along the middle line, like so. Fold the remaining paper on this half of your square into the centre, again folding along the middle line. Once you've pressed down, you can actually reopen this fold, like so. At this point for me, it's going to be easier to rotate my square. You may want to do the same. Next, you want to push your finger into the pocket along the crease you've just made, bringing the paper across. This half of your square should now be fully folded. You should be left with a triangle in the centre. Move this across to the opposite side, like so, before folding the triangle in half. This will actually form your whale's pectoral fin. Moving to the other half of your square, fold from the front corner, again along the middle line. You then actually want to unfold and flip your design over, and repeat the fold on the other side. This is important because it leaves your whale's belly as pale white instead of blue, as you can see. Next, fold again from the central crease towards the middle line. Press down and then reopen your fold. Flip the whale over and repeat the folding process. You'll want to do this one more time, folding like so. Take your time with this. It is a bit thinner, so can be more fiddly. Next, flip your whale over and fold the front pointed section backwards, flattening the front of the whale's head. You'll also want to fold the back pointed section upwards, producing a tail. Once this is done, turn your whale back over. This particular design can be quite springy. You'll see what I mean. So press down again on your folds to ensure everything is stable. This might take a few minutes. And there you have it. The only thing left to add is eyes. You can use pencil or pen, or like us, a Sharpie. If you are using permanent marker, be sure to ask an adult for help. Thank you for joining me for Ocean Origami. Until next time.